Airplanes. For stability, I like to hold onto the underside of a barbell like so. There are two parts. The first part is full open, second part is full close. So for the full open, point your toe towards the barbell, grab on. You're going to hinge at the hip as much as you can. You're going to open your chest up so that it's 90 degrees to the floor. After you've held that, then you're going to come to the second part of close. You're going to face the ground. You're going to try to extend this knee as well as get this hip up as high as you can. You're trying to turn inward as much as you can in this stretch.